There's so much happening.
Yeah, so much room for activities. Oh my goodness.
I'm back with burger.
Burger.
Welcome back with Burger.
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 I hope you enjoy your food buff.
IRL food buff.
Oh, someone posted a carrot. You know what? I'm gonna go get it. I'm actually gonna go get that carrot, because I need a carrot.
It's
It
right
must be
by
outside.
the...
Right, it's right here, right? Yay, it's there! Okay, how do I do this?
Hey, coffer.
It's a bunny! The happy bunny gave me a gold coffer! Oh my god, you guys, it was so cute! The bunny got me a coffer.
Bunny.
Materia.
It was materia. Thanks for cursing me, Taylor.
Okay, I know it. Bunnies love candy.
Why I oughta.
And I will oughta.
During Pride Month.
Be gay, do a crime.
This is just like Women's Month all over again.
What do you mean?
And what do you mean by that?
I get to support my friends.
Oh, okay.
Taylor, when's your History Month?
Uh,
the sigh of defeat of this man.
I guess October. I was born in October.
Let's see. October. I mean, I guess you have to share that with Halloween.
It's okay. I almost share my birthday with Halloween, so.
That would be such a cool time to have your birthday. You could have like masquerade birthday parties and stuff. I think that'd be fun. At least you'd always have candy on your birthday.
Candy.
Candy. I want candy.